What is the difference between fox and jackal? Foxes and jackals are both wild animals that look a bit like dogs, but they are different in many ways. Foxes are smaller and have bushy tails, pointed ears, and a sly look. They are usually reddish-brown and live in many places like forests, grasslands, and even cities. Foxes are known for being clever and like to eat small animals, fruits, and insects. On the other hand, jackals are bigger than foxes and have longer legs. They have a more rugged appearance with shorter, less bushy tails and can be found in Africa, Asia, and parts of Europe. Jackals live in packs and are known for their teamwork when hunting. They eat a variety of food including meat, plants, and even carrion, dead animals. Both animals are very smart, but they live in different places and have different lifestyles. Feature: fox and jackal. Size of fox is generally smaller and jackal medium-sized, larger than most foxes. Habitat of fox is varied environments, forests, deserts, urban areas, and jackal savannas, grasslands, deserts, scrublands. Physical appearance: fox bushy tail, pointed ears, slender body, and jackal longer legs, leaner body, less bushy tail. Diet of fox: omnivore, small mammals, birds, insects, fruits, berries, and jackal omnivore, carrion, small to medium-sized animals, fruits, plants. Social behavior of fox is generally solitary whereas jackal is more social, often in pairs or small groups. Vocalization of fox: wide range, barks, screams, howls, and jackal limited range, howls, yips. Reproduction of fox: litter size of 4 to 6 kits and jackal is litter size of 2 to 4 pups. Lifespan of hare is 2 to 5 years in the wild, up to 14 years in captivity, and jackal is 8 to 10 years in the wild, up to 16 years in captivity. Species diversity is fox around 37 species and jackal is 3 main species. Adaptability of fox: highly adaptable to wild and urban environments, and rabbit is adaptable, but more common in rural and wild areas.